Hey there, have you ever come across these super catchy and mind-blowing viral videos? Yeah, the ones that look so cool and satisfying, you just can't stop watching. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to create videos like that completely for free. We'll be using a powerful AI tool called VO3 to make it happen. And don't worry, we'll also show you step-by-step how to use VO3 for free. Before we start our video, just take a look at these amazing videos that are very popular right now. The smooth visuals, the amazing sound, and the overall vibe, it's just pure satisfaction. These types of videos are not only trending right now, they're also a long-term content style that people absolutely love. Nobody ever skips videos like these. In fact, I can say with full confidence, you've probably watched these kinds of videos too, haven't you? They don't get old, they don't fade away, and the best part? They keep getting views, day after day. So let's dive in and see how you can start creating your own viral magic today. All right, let's get started. Before we jump into the VO3 tool, there's one important thing you need: a Google Gemini Pro account. Now listen carefully, this part is super important. We've created a separate video where we guide you step by step on how to get Gemini Pro completely free for 15 whole months. That video is linked right below in the description. You must watch it because without activating Gemini Pro, you won't be able to use the VO3 model for free. So go check that out and get your Pro account for 15 months. So once you've watched that video and your Google Gemini Pro account is activated, then you're ready to move forward. Now listen up, this is important. After activating Gemini Pro, many people go straight to the Gemini website to create videos. But here's the problem, you can only make 3 videos per day there. That's it, super limited, right? But don't worry, I'll show you a smarter way to use Gemini Pro with VO3 so you can make more videos completely free. So instead of using VO3 on the Gemini site, we'll use it somewhere else to skip those limits and generate more videos easily. First, open a new tab in your browser. But before that, make sure you're logged into the same Google account that has the Gemini Pro subscription activated. That's very important, otherwise this won't work properly. And don't worry, this process works the same for both mobile and desktop users. So first, open a new tab on your browser, then go to Google and search for Google Flow. From the search results, click on the first link that says Flow. That's the official website. Once you're on the Flow website, you need to log in using the same Google account that you used to activate your Gemini Pro subscription. This is very important. Only that account will give you full access. After logging in, your Flow dashboard will open, and here's the exciting part. You'll get 1,000 free credits every single month, automatically. No extra steps, no payments, just free credits, month after month, and guess what? This continues for a full 15 months, so you're all set to create amazing videos without spending a single dollar. All right, now let's move on to creating your first video. Once you're inside the Google Flow website, you'll see an option that says New Project, usually at the top or center of the screen. Just go ahead and click on New Project. Once you do that, a new interface will appear on your screen. Don't worry, it's super simple and easy to understand. This is where the real magic starts. Now listen carefully. To create the video, we'll be using a prompt. I've already made a general prompt for you. It's all set and ready. But before you jump ahead and use it, please watch how the process works. If you skip this part, the video might not generate properly, and you could waste your credits for nothing. So stay with me, and let's do it the right way. So I'll give you a general prompt that you can tweak to create any style of video you like. And not just one, I've prepared multiple ready-made prompts for you, each designed for different types of content. All you have to do is copy the prompt, paste it here, and your video will be ready in seconds. Simple as that. Now, this is a general prompt, and the only thing you need to change is the product name. For example, here you can see it says glass sculpture of red apple on a wooden cutting board. You just need to change red apple to anything you like. Let's say you want a pineapple. Just write yellow pineapple there. That's it. Don't touch anything else in the prompt, only change the object name, whether it's a fruit, vegetable, or anything else you want to generate. Simple, right? After you paste the prompt, you'll see 3 dots for settings. Click on those dots and you'll see the model option. By default, it might be set to VO2, but make sure to change it to VO3. That's the one we need. Also make sure to set to output to 1 because we have to save credit to make more and more videos. All right, after that, just click on generate and your video is now generating, so just wait a few moments. All right, my video has been successfully generated. Let me play it for you. See that? It turned out so good. The tool even added the sound effects on its own, and the whole video feels super satisfying and clean. Honestly, it looks really impressive. Now let's create one more video. I'll copy the same prompt, just like before. This time, we're simply changing the product name. Earlier, we used yellow pine apple. Now I'll type red apple. And one quick tip for you is make sure to always mention the color of your product, like red apple or green cucumber, because we're using glass sculpture in the prompt. If you skip the color, the result might look transparent or unclear. And one thing more before you hit generate, make sure your selected model should be VO3. If VO3 is not selected, your video quality won't be as good. So double check that VO3 is active. Once that's confirmed, just click on the generate button. And that's it, your video generation will begin. Just wait a few seconds and your result will be ready. All right, our next video has been generated. Just look at the awesome quality. It's super clean and detailed. Let me play it for you real quick so you can see how amazing it turned out. Seriously, guys, this is really amazing. So just like that, you can use any of the prompts I've shared. All you have to do is change the product name and color, and that's it. You'll find the prompt link in the description below. And yes, I've also added some bonus prompts for you. They're ready to go, perfectly written, and super easy to use. Just copy the one you like, paste it in, and create the video you imagine. Get creative and make something amazing. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share it. And hey, if you face any problem at all, we're always here to help you out. See you in the next video with another exciting tutorial. Till then, take care of yourself, and thank you so much for watching.